Before you proceed to watch this live trading video, please understand that you will have to watch first 3 videos in order to understand the strategy that you're about to see. So please go to my channel here on YouTube and click on the playlists, and now click on Forex Scalping Strategies. Now, once you click on it, you will have here many videos that you have got to watch first, including these 2 right here, the magic of trend lines part 1 and part 2, and don't forget to follow it later with the magic of Fibonacci scalping strategies. Watching these videos is highly important to understand the strategy that I'm offering here on my channel for free. And mainly, of course, you will have to watch this one right here, because this is the main core of the strategy. These other 3 videos right here will help you to improve this strategy right here. So please watch them first in order to understand what I'm doing right here, and you can also apply it later. Hello everyone, and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we continue, guys, I'm going to close the trade right now with $110 of profit. It was really a good deal. I actually wanted to show you how it's going to be in profit, but it went really fast before I even prepare myself for the recording. So $128 of profit. We have closed the trade in a very good profit. Now, of course, that was a really good deal. I'm so happy with it. I have to explain to you, of course, the reason behind of this trade. I really wish I have opened it earlier, but the market just went really fast. I mean, look at the 1 minute time frame. Look at that. I mean, it really just went really fast. I mean, just in less than 10 minutes, it really hit the take profit level. So let me just show you guys the reason behind choosing this trade to buy the pound GPY. And again, before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment if you wish to. So for a starter, let me just delete everything here. Now for a starter, based on the 30-minute time frame, you know what, let me just move to the 4-hour time frame. Now 4-hour time frame is showing here a very strong bullish movement right now on the pound GPY. Therefore, shorting it right now, in my opinion, is going to be like committing a suicide. So we have to look for buying opportunities. Now again, based on the 4-hour time frame, right now we were actually right here on a previous level of a key support, and that means that we can look for buy setups. Now by moving to the 30-minute time frame, however, if you guys can look carefully, right now we have here, of course, a real level of a support which has been respected repeatedly, and then we can see that the market has indeed made an attempt to go below that level of a previous support, but it of course has failed, and eventually that level of a real support also has been respected, and the pound GPY just resumed the rise. Of course, we can see here also a pin bar has appeared in the case also for the bullish reversal. Therefore, selling right now was actually crazy in my opinion. So therefore, we had to look for a buy opportunity. So what I did right here is simply waiting for the market to fall again. As we can see, we had here the bullish breakout candle. And what I did was simply waiting for the pound GPY to fall again to reach that point here, which actually matches in the past with that level of a real support. And there I have opened my trade. So always remember, you have to look, my friends, for the real levels of a support. And let me just show you something here for those who have joined this channel recently, who actually think that I'm only sending analysis on this channel. No way, we are doing here more than that. Let me guys show you here a video that you really have got to watch to understand what I'm talking about. 1 second. So here's my channel on YouTube, and if you just look to the videos right now, you can click on this search button right here and just search for real. You can just write real, I think it would appear exactly. Forex understand real and false breakouts. This video right here is so underrated. I wish actually I can give it more highlights. It's very, very important. It's exactly what we are using here on this channel to analyze the market and to decide if we should open a buy and sell and where exactly. Very, very highly informative video, and I believe 2.9 thousand views is way underrated, guys. I mean, really, this video deserves much more views than that. If you watch it, it will change your entire point of view on Forex's charts. You will be able to understand exactly where can we find the real levels of support and where exactly and very precisely we can open our buy and sell levels, or actually orders. So second of all, let me just highlight it again, that this was of course the real level of a support, and right here exactly I have opened my trade. So let's now use another kind of confirmation by using Fibonacci retracement, and as we can see it was almost at 23.6, another kind of confirmation that this trade is going to reverse right there exactly. And of course for the final confirmation was of course using the support trend lines, and as we can see right here, another reason to confirm that the pound GPY is indeed gonna start the bullish reversal right after respecting that level of a support trend line. Anyway, it was really a good deal. However, I feel like it's more entertaining and more informative if I can open a trade right in front of you. So far we don't have really much of setups. I mean, I'm here on the 5-minute time frame. Pound NZD on the 5-minute time frame is showing something very interesting. If we can actually just like right here. So for example, here on the 5-minute time frame for the pound NZD, let me show you what we can do. For example, I have placed my line exactly right here at 2.086. That is actually a real level of a support. Now look at that. Right here exactly, we can see the real level of a support has indeed been respected. Meanwhile, we had, again, based on the 5-minute time frame, we had 1, 2, and 3 fake breakouts that later has become here a resistance. So we have here a real level of a resistance number 1, number 2, and 3, and 4. And here we have one, actually one, yes, only one fake breakout from that level. So after the appearance of that fake breakout level, we can see here the actual bullish breakout from that level of a previous resistance. And now what we can do is simply waiting for the pound NZD to fall all the way right here again, and then that level of a real support most likely is going to be respected, and we can here open our buy order, and we can actually aim the nearest level of a resistance to our entry, which lies exactly right here. Now remember, we are trading the pound NZD, which means this can give us around 10 pips of profit. If I enter with high lot size, that's really fine. Because actually guys, we are scalping here, so of course Xtreme Trader teaching you how to scalp in the best and most profitable ways. So we will just wait for the market to fall right here for around 9 pips, and I will open my trade exactly at this level of a support. So until then, allow me please to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once this trade is opened. So unfortunately, it just kept rising, didn't actually reach our triggering area. So pound NZD is indeed rising. Now actually guys, I wanted to tell you something. If you really want to make profits in Forex, you cannot really, or you don't really have to trade all of these pairs right here. In IC markets, thankfully, we have all of these pairs opened with no minimum deposit, and that's really what makes me choose this broker. I have actually been in other brokers. They're actually limiting the assets where you can trade based of course on your deposit. Thankfully in IC markets you can even deposit $5-10 and you can still get all of these pairs. Anyway, if you really want to make some profits, I would really highlight the pound pairs. They can really be so profitable. Gold, of course, you can trade it. Euro JPY is so profitable, and Euro NZD is the king in my opinion. Euro NZD and Euro JPY are really so profitable pairs. The reason, of course, is you can trade these pairs actually based on the 5-minute time frame only. It can be so profitable, and also it's high volatility market, so therefore a small movement in that market can actually gives you at least 10 or 15 pips. Very small movement, guys, in that market. For example, pound NZD right now has moved. I mean, let's see this current candle. How many pips is that? That alone is 7 pips. The next candle or the previous candle is alone 10 pips. If you go, for example, EURUSDCHF, maybe. If we see one candle right here, for example, that's barely 6 pips. What we have seen there in the pound NZD as the 10 pips, it's only 6 pips in the EURUSDCHF. I think AUDUSD also is maybe really bad. I mean, look at that. All of this candle only 5 pips. I mean, pound NZD can actually give us a lot of profits faster than the other pairs. Anyway, I'm still looking for a good pair to trade. I'm still on the 5-minute time frame. Pound AUD actually showing here something very interesting. I will just wait for the market to fall again and respect the same level of a real support. Right now we can see that the market has just made here a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance, and that is of course here the bullish candle. let's just wait. I mean, we have to wait. This current candle still has about 37 or 33 seconds for the closure. Let's wait for this candle, guys, to close, and then we will open the next trade. So until then, I mean, it has been almost 9 minutes. We didn't open yet any trade. Allow me please now to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once I open the next trade. Alright, so pound AUD is approaching our entry, my friends. I feel like the market has froze here. Yeah, I think it froze. Yeah, sometimes the servers may be actually stuck or something. It actually happens in all the brokers in the world. Maybe I will just switch my account to be on live. Live 26, I think is better than 24. Yeah, look at that. It's indeed moving right now. Anyway, I wanted to show you another kind of confirmation on this trade by simply connecting this level of a support right here, support trend line, and check this out. Actually, I'm going to open the trade right now, and I did it. Wait a minute, guys. Let me just be sure where I will place my stop loss to be exactly 97, and targeting that level of a resistance, aiming $80. That's totally fine. All right, good. So we have opened the trade. Fine. Now the excitement is back. Let me just show you guys what I did right here. The reason of opening the trade right now without waiting for it to fall down more. Actually, right here we have a support trend line, and again, that is exactly what I told you guys about before. To check that video to learn the real and fake breakouts. I mean the real support and resistance and the fake breakouts. Right here we have, of course, a real level of a support trend line, and here we have one fake breakout, and there we have another breakout from that level, which has already become here a resistance trend line. So meaning that level of support trend line, after that bearish breakout happened, it already became here a resistance trend line, as we can see. Now after the bullish breakout happened right here, the market will fall again and respect again the same level of a support trend line, again being respected right here. That's the reason we can see that the candle is already reversing. Look at that. The candle is almost reversing exactly on the same level of that resistance trend line. So meaning here a new support trend line is being born. So that's the reason I had to open my trade right here. And of course, the stop loss has been placed all the way right here below that level of a nearest support to my entry, and also for investment reasons, I really don't want to risk more than $100 in this trade. So therefore, the stop loss is 13 pips, equivalent to $97. However, the take profit level is gonna be about $81 in this trade. Why? Because right here, my friends, I have opened my trade on a new level of a support, and the take profit level has been placed right here at the nearest level of a key resistance and a support to my trade. So let me now please pause the recording, and I will show you guys later what will gonna happen with this trade. And I would like to open a new trade right now. Let me just reduce the lot size to be 0.70, and I will open now here a buy order exactly right there for the pound NZD. Again, let me just show you guys 1 second. I need to cancel this one right here and change my stop loss to be, yeah, right here. That's fine actually. It's gonna be risky around $70. No need more than that. However, the take profit level will just be equivalent. Let me just move to the 30-minute time frame. 4-hour time frame to select the nearest level of a key resistance, which lies exactly right there. Fantastic. All right, so back to the trade. Allow me now to show you the reason of opening a trade also for the pound NZD. So actually right here, based on the 5-minute time frame as well, pound NZD right here also, my friends, has formed here a real level of a support trend line. Now pay attention, what we had later is an entire fake breakout pattern. Look at that. Right here we had, of course, a bearish breakout from that level of a support trend line, and then the market rose all the way again, and 0 attempts of a resistance trend line. That's interesting. We don't have any attempts of a resistance trend line. The market has just simply immediately broke out from that level and fall back again right here. Now most likely that level of a real support trend line will be respected, and the pound NZD will continue the rise. And of course, regarding our take profit levels and the stop losses, I have placed my stop loss right here exactly because I don't really want to risk more than $70 on this trade. And also for the take profit level, if we move right now to the 4-hour time frame, we can notice that this right here is the nearest level of a key resistance to my entry. However, that's going to be equivalent to around $126. I really don't want to wait that much. Therefore, I'm going to change my take profit level to be right here exactly around $72 as well. I mean, that's really fair enough. Look at that. The pound NZD is rising, my friends, again. The power of the support trend lines, look at that. It's now jumping in the profits. It's already green. Not only that, both of these trades now actually running in profits. The pound now is rising, and that is a good thing. We have now to get all of the pips possible from these two trades. So allow me now, please, guys, to pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with these two trades. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's amazing. We are already running in a very big profit. Pound AUD is about to hit the take profit level. We are so far running, actually, both of the trades making also $70 of profit. I mean, that's really great. It was very close. I mean, yeah, I think we can close them both now in good profit. I mean, that's really what I'm looking for. We don't have to keep the trade running for longer than that. I was about to close them in $80 of profit. Yes, more and more profit, $74, and close both of these trades in a good profit. Thankfully, now the account is very close to reach $6,000. I'm so excited about that. Now the video is 15 minutes of length. That's really not that entertaining, I know, but I think it was educational somehow. However, I think this video will be named The Power of the Pound. Guys, really, trading the pound can be so profitable to you. My honest advice to you, everyone, is to always look to trade the pound pairs, Euro NZD, EURUSD, and also the gold. All of these pairs can give you lots of profits. That really is my honest review and feedback about these pairs. If you really want to make a lot of profits in trading Forex and in scalping specifically, always aim for the pound pairs. So I will see you guys maybe tonight in another midweek analysis video. And until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.